Hi everyone, sorry about my lighting. I got really bad lighting inside my RV. Anywho, back with another video, so please watch, like, and subscribe. Dropping one every day of the week, just for y'all. So today I'm gonna be cleaning my oven. About to show y'all in a couple seconds. Please, 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 don't come for me. Cause just because I didn't clean it in a while doesn't mean nothing. But I saw this great little TikTok on TikTok, so I'm gonna try it, and I'm about to show y'all. Okay, I'm moving my generator out the way because I thought I was going to need it, but this is my oven. It's very dirty. So, hi everyone, this is my oven. Please don't judge me because I ain't judge y'all. Anywho, I think I usually clean it, like I usually try to clean it, like do a little wipe down or whatever. But I think one day I was cooking something. Don't know what it was, boiled over, and that's how this part got like this. Boiled over, it was bad. Anywho, the back is just got like that because the front got like that. So, don't judge me, but hey, we're gonna try to clean it today. So I'm gonna put, this is what I saw on TikTok. I saw oh, please don't mind my dishes. But I saw the apple cider vinegar and baking soda. Now I actually looked it up on YouTube because I couldn't find the TikTok, and I don't know if I saved it or not, but I looked it up on YouTube and they use baking soda and Ajax instead of the apple cider vinegar. So I'm gonna try the apple cider vinegar first, and then if it don't work, we're gonna try the Ajax next. So I'll be right back. Okay, first I was told, please don't mind my spoon. My baby don't never use her spoons, so I just used it for cleaning purposes. But first, when I originally found the video, they mixed it inside a bowl first, and then they spread it all over the thing. Right now, I don't think it's working, so I'm gonna try sprinkling the baking soda, and then I think I'm gonna try to add the apple cider vinegar. Because apparently this is just a glob, so it was like an epic fail. But hey, I should have took a picture so I can use it for my thumb now. But just sprinkling it. All over. Try not to get the ring thingy. I'm not cooking tonight because tonight is pizza night. So just gonna take a minute. Okay, now that I sprinkle it like that, I think I should have got a spray bottle, but I don't know where my spray bottle at. Hold on one second. Okay, I can't find my spray bottle, so I'm gonna try my best to just sprinkle the apple cider vinegar all over the thing. Little drops. Oh, a little bit too much. Please, children, don't try this at home. And if you're a mom, buy a spray bottle. Okay. I see it sussing up, so hopefully you do something. Now, this one right here, I don't think this one's savable, but I'm gonna try to sprinkle some Ajax. I mean some, what's that thing called? Baking soda over here. I'm gonna try. Then I tried some baking soda, and then I was told to leave. Ooh, please don't mess up my stove. I'm really not good at this. But now I'm just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay. Hi, we back. It's about 30 minutes later. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Okay, we back, and This is 30 minutes later. So we're gonna see how it looks with try scrubbing it. Okay, clearly at the first one, it's clean right here, but it was already clean right here, so it wasn't really that dirty. Not right here. Well, that's clean, but some of the stuff over here has spread over there. I broke something, so it's a little bit something coming up. Broke right here a little bit, so we're gonna try again. We're gonna try this again. So I got this right here. It's supposed to be like a cleaner slash dish, a degreaser. So we're gonna try again with the same technique, but this time we're gonna spray this first. I'm just gonna spray around the edges. Where all the little dirty gunk is at, so it can degrease stuff. And then baking soda is next. Sprinkle everywhere. Just gonna sprinkle it everywhere. I should have got 2 boxes if I know I was gonna use this much. Okay. And then apple cider vinegar. You know what the sad part is? I don't know. I should have used this. Probably just gonna put little dots everywhere. And oops. Yeah, we really can't use my stove tonight. But hey. We're gonna let this one sit for about an hour. It's 30 minutes. Really didn't work the first time. And I'll be right back. Okay. I'm back and I just took a nap, so it was more than an hour on this joint. But I'm up again, so now we're gonna try to tackle the beast. Wish me luck. Okay. Whew, I'm so tired. This is at the scrub number 2. So as you can see, I got it down to this big black ring right here. Up here is clean, not completely. Over here clean. I think the in the middle, I'm just gonna take an L on that one because I can't get to them. But I'm gonna try. But here go round number 3. And since it's only this part, well, I'm still gonna spray like all over because this is the degreaser, so I can still spray all over. But I'm really gonna be worrying about this part right here. Now the last one, it was only supposed to sit for an hour, but what I'm saying for 2 hours, because if y'all see, I wish I had a tripod, because I really should see how I'm really struggling with scrubbing this. But we're gonna get it done. If this is the last thing I do for the rest of the dang week, we're gonna keep doing this. It's I either run out of product, which I'm about to run out of baking soda, which is weird because my husband always used to keep baking soda like everywhere. He used to, like, every time we go to the market, he just always buy one. And you know what he say? Oh, it's always good to have baking soda in the house, blah blah blah. All because he learned that from his parents. I mean, I learned it from my mom too, but I still don't know what she used it for. But hey, I don't know if I keep using this apple cider vinegar, but I used it on the last 2 times, so I might as well keep it going. So, every time I try not to spread it too much, I always spread it too much. But hey, Gotta do what you gotta do. And then I want to let this sit for 2 hours too. And then we'll be right back. Hi everyone. I'm back. And I'm still fighting with this joint right here. But the last time y'all saw me put it on, I actually just wound up letting it sit overnight. So I'm just gonna scrub it off now. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so now that I'm about to rinse this off, just want to add a little bit of this. Sit down. Yes, mamas. A little bit of this. And see how let it sit overnight. Okay, this is the end of my video. I'm gonna tidy it up just a little bit so I can take a picture and show y'all the end result. But I want to do a 2-part joint because the apple cider, baking soda, and whatever cleaning spray you want to use works for up here because it was bad up there, but it really wasn't as bad like right here. As you can see, I got some progress. That little hole right there, making progress. And that one right there, making progress. And then right there, making progress. So I'll be back with a part 2. And if you know any tricks or hacks or whatever before I start part 2, please comment down below. Other than that, please keep watching my videos. Please come back for my videos. Like, make sure you subscribe. Also hit the bell. And I'll be back with a video every day. Thank you.